Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to take a look at the Orzly Nintendo Switch Lite carry case. So here it is. It's got a sleek, simple exterior made from a shockproof, lightweight EVA material that's smooth to the touch. The unassuming design doubles as a safety feature, as you may not want to make it obvious that you or your kids are carrying around a $200 gaming device. There are 2 zips and a flexible handle with a nice grip for easy carrying. Also, there's a ring tab that you can clip a wrist strap to or other accessories when you need it. The logo is subtle and helps you know which side is up, so you always open it the right way round. When you open it up, the first thing you'll see is the built-in game card holder. It has space for 8 game cards. That's enough for a great selection of games when you're on the go. Or if you're all digital, it'll fit your micro SD cards with ease. We thought about adding more, but that would be overkill and a bulkier case. We wanted to strike a good balance between the size of the case and how much it can carry. Also, imagine if you lost a case with all your games in it. The reverse has this soft microfiber material. It's going to be in contact with your screen to make sure that it's protected and that you don't get scratches. If you want even more screen protection, why not check out our tempered glass video? I'll link it down below. The base has this soft non-abrasive material and is modeled specifically for your Nintendo Switch Lite. It's got recesses on each side to make sure that the triggers are held comfortably. There's 2 elastic straps that will hold your console in place to make sure that it doesn't move around when you're traveling. Our case is designed to fit a range of grip cases, especially the Orzly Comfort Grip. And we drop test our cases extensively so that you don't have to. Our top compartment is designed for easy access and maximum capacity. The open top design gives you the flexibility to store what you need when you need it, and we've added a zip pocket to store any small or loose accessories that may fall out of the larger one. For example, I've got a battery pack in the main compartment, and I've placed my headphones, cables, and extra thumb grips in my zip compartment. We wanted to make a case that offers flexibility and lets you swap things out on the fly, all whilst keeping the size as compact as possible, and we feel we've achieved that. Making a case that fits the mains charger as well would make an even bulkier case and would take away from the portability of your Switch Lite. At Orzly, we recommend a power bank and a cable for your charging needs, as you won't always have an outlet to hand. If however a bigger case is a must-have, we also have a large version that can be found at your local retailers. If you knew you might get into some split-screen multiplayer, you could easily swap out your power brick for extra Joy-Cons and a play stand, and the case will still zip up comfortably. So that's the Orzly Nintendo Switch Lite carry case, a compact case that can hold everything you need when you're gaming on the go. We've got loads more Switch Lite videos coming, and why don't you check out our screen protector video live on the channel now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.